Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you and tell you how to repost to Facebook on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you got your friends on your phone or tablet. If you still have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer them. Please subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's get started. Go to Facebook on your iPhone or iPad. Then here we have Menus, Notifications, Videos. We press Home. We scroll down and find any post that we want to publish to our page. Let's say I find this page, go to it. It opens. Scroll down. And let's publish it. I click here to share. Then we can write any text, any emoticon, or we can send it to our page right away. But before we do that, let's click on Public. We can publish it for everyone, for friends, or just for ourselves. I put just for myself. I click Done. Then we can select the page we want to publish to. Click Exit and click Share. It's posting. 5 seconds later, our post is published. We go to the menu. We open the page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. If you want to delete it, click on the 3 dots. Then click Move to Trash and delete the post. That's how easy and simple it is. Let me know if my solution worked for you. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. And also please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.